let's proceed and look at question number 3 from the same paper, which is 2019 Integrated Science. Now this question is from a topic which we call plants and animals. Okay? Now, the first question, which is question A, it says, name 2 inorganic fertilizers. Name 2 inorganic what? Fertilizers. They want us to mention 2 inorganic fertilizers. Now, these fertilizers are in 2 categories, okay? We have what we call organic. We have what we call organic fertilizers, and is what we call what? Inorganic. Inorganic. Okay? So this organic sometimes it may be referred to as natural fertilizer. Just natural what? Natural fertilizer. Then inorganic, this one can also be called what? Industrial. You can call it what? Chemical. Okay? It can also be called what? Chemical fertilizer. Okay? These fertilizers are manufactured in what? Industries. Okay? These inorganic fertilizers. Okay? They are also called what? Chemical fertilizers. Okay? Because they are made of chemicals in industries. Then we also have what we call organic what? Fertilizers, which are also called what? Natural fertilizers. Right? So now we need to know what organic fertilizer is and what inorganic fertilizer is. In terms of examples, right? You need to know that this type of fertilizer is organic, this one is what? Inorganic. Right? Okay? So now I'll start with, let's say, inorganic fertilizers. These are the common ones which you know. Examples of inorganic fertilizers are, number 1, you have urea, which is very, very common. Right? Then you have D compound. This one you're familiar with it, right? D compound. Then you have what you call ammonium. Nitrates. Okay, then you have what you call sulfate of ammonia. Okay, all these are what? Are inorganic. They are made of chemicals. Right? Okay, these consist of what? Chemicals. So these are manufactured in industries. Right? So these are inorganic fertilizers, or you can call them what? Chemical what? Fertilizers. Inorganic or chemical fertilizers. Industrial what? Fertilizers. Are we together? Yes. Then we also have what we call natural or organic fertilizers. Right? So good examples of these are the major ones. You have what we call manure. Okay? You have manure. Though some of you use chicken manure. Yes. Others they use pig manure. Then you also have what? A compost. You also have what you call what? Compost. You have what we call cow dung. Cow dung. One moving together and others. Okay? So these are examples of what? Organic fertilizers. Aye. So these are organic, these are inorganic. Are we moving together? These are inorganic. So inorganic, we have urea, D compound, ammonium nitrates, then you have sulfate of ammonia. These are inorganic. Then organic, you have what we call manure, compost, then you have what cow dung and others. Are we together? Yes. Now, let's proceed. So name 2 inorganic fertilizers. They're saying name 2, just 2. Okay? So let's say solutions. Let's come up with the answers to this particular question. So question 3A. So they're saying 2 inorganic fertilizers. So you can say, what can you say? Urea. You can even say what? D compound. These are very, very common, right? Okay? Then let us look at question B. Question B is saying what? What is question B saying? State 2 effects of excessive use of inorganic fertilizer. So I mean, when they say excessive, the word excessive means too much. If you apply too much of, let's say, urea, if you apply too much of D compound, what would be the consequences? Okay? What would be the consequences or the results? Okay, those are the effects. The effects of too much use or excessive use of inorganic fertilizers. That's what they want. Now they want us to give how many points? 2 points. Okay? The excessive use of inorganic what? Fertilizers. Alright guys. So they want now to give us to give what? 2 points. What are the effects if we use too much of what? Inorganic fertilizers such as urea compounds, sulfate of ammonium or ammonium nitrate. If we overuse these, okay, we use too much, what are the effects? So one of the effects is it causes water pollution. Okay, causes water pollution. Okay, I hope this point is clear. Okay, so let's say if you apply these inorganic fertilizers, then you experience heavy rain. You realize the inorganic fertilizer is going to be washed away. It's going to be taken into rivers, which is going to cause what? Water pollution. Are we together? Then point number 2, the other effect of excessive use of inorganic fertilizer is kills what? Kills living organisms in soil. Okay? It kills living organisms in soil. Not only that, it also causes, okay? It causes acidic, or it causes acidic what? Soil. Okay, or you can say it makes the soil acidic. Okay, or you can say, or makes the soil what? Acidic. Okay, these chemicals, they make the soil to become what? Acidic. So now, just pick 2 points. Okay, because they are saying stage 2. Okay, then let us move on to question C. Question C, it's saying, give one way of reducing the adverse effect of fertilizer use. So how can we reduce now the effects which are caused by the use of fertilizer? How can we reduce, okay, the effect, okay, brought about by the use of what? Fertilizer. How can we reduce? So one way of reducing the adverse effect of the use of fertilizer is by using what we call, undergoing what we call crop rotation. Right? Crop rotation. Number 1. Then number 2, you can say by applying application of agriculture line, because we are saying one of the effects, take note, we have this effect where we are saying excessive use of inorganic fertilizer causes what? Make the soil acidic again. So to neutralize the acid, we use what we call agriculture what? Line. So you can say by applying what? Applying agriculture line. By applying what? Agriculture line. It's another point. Okay, another point. Do you have anyone with another point? Boromoka. Any points? How can we reduce the adverse effect of the excessive use of what? In organic fertilizer? Apart from that, do we have any other? Or maybe we can proceed. So let's now proceed. Okay? The other one is saying what? Question D. Question D is saying, give one example of organic fertilizer. Okay, can you give one? Manure. Okay? Number 1, saying manure. Then you have what? Just one, eh? You're saying one. Can we say what? Compost. Okay? So these are the answers to this particular question. Are we together, guys? Okay? So we can now look at the other question.
Now,